Now we're going to show you a demo of the LMI Gocator in the whole part mode, which is the 3D mode. What we're going to do is we're going to scan this part all the way across. You can see the laser cutting across there, and then on the screen we're going to get a value. So if we go back on the screen and if we look at that closer, we can see that we got some tools over here, and if we look at the tools, we've got a volume that we can look at with a certain value there. We got 20,200 roughly. We got height, ellipse, angle, radius, and if we look at some of these, we can see the different values here. Here's the ellipse minor, axis for that ellipse, and here's the major coming up across this way. So I kind of know. So I can really see the idea of this bushing, and I can see that 18 millimeters is what I'm roughly getting. With this shade here. If I move my mouse around, I can actually see that that's more like anywhere the surface here is 16, 14 millimeters. So it is varying a little bit. Probably hard for you to see, but I can see different values of it. 17.8. So I can tell if that bushing is pushed all the way down or not based on these values. But if we go back and let's scan the other part here to determine what we have. Let's just see if we can get another image here. Let's do it one more time. And we have an encoder that's plugged in here that's giving us our values back. And that's what's timed out to key in with the laser. Now if we look at it now, this one right here is 19,500. So that's quite a bit different in size, and we can see the color is different. The bushing there looks like it's at 17.89, so it looks like it might be a little high. We can see that the rubber part of it right here is at about 14.6. But if we're just going for the ID, the volume would tell us that because we have the 3D portion of it, we can get away with what we need to do here with the tools. We do have some other tools in here that I didn't put, some scripting tools if I want to do something fancy. But overall, this should solve the application.